Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can apply an outline effect to texts as well as text boxes in a Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. First guys, navigate to your site project. Here on a Webflow website builder, navigate to the given page, insert a text box. So I will go with this example paragraph text box here. There are two ways how you can do this, guys. As I said in the intro of this video, you can either apply an outline or stroke effect to the text itself or to the text box. Let's start with option number one. So what you want to do is highlight the text by double clicking into it, navigate to the Style tab on the right hand side, where is the shortcut S. Here, expand the typography tab, scroll down, expand more options, and here we'll see the stroke options, which usually will be set to 0, which means no stroke effect or outline effect. But if you like to apply a slight outline to a small text like this, you may of course resize the text to see the effect even more, but I'm going to leave it just like that and go for a stroke effect or outline of 0.5 px and change the color here as well, because an outline of black color on a black font color, it doesn't make any sense. So click into the in the color box here, and let me go as a contrast, for example, with yellow, and you will see the effect here. You can also adjust select the hex color code here, the transparency, and so on and so forth. Now it's a little bit too strong, so I would, in this case, you go down to 0.3 or even 0.2, press enter, and you will see the outline or stroke effect for the text. It's actually not an outline exactly, but the stroke effect resembles the outline effect or appearance for texts like this. But there's also another outline effect you can apply to your entire text box. To do that, close the typography tab here, navigate to effects, here still in the style tab, and here guys you will see the outline feature for the entire text box. So it doesn't apply the outline to these letters or words or the text itself, but to the entire content box. So switch from none outline to one of these, solid line, dashed line, or dotted. Adjust the width here, so I will go 1 px, press enter, adjust the offset here as well, and choose a color. So let us go again with something like yellow. There you go. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.